Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 13th chapter surface areas and volume. Exercise 13.5 first sum. A copper wire 3 millimeter in diameter is wound about a cylinder whose length is 12 centimeter and diameter 10 centimeter. 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So as to cover the CSA, that is curved surface of the cylinder. Find the length and mass of the wire assuming the density of the copper wire to be 8.88 per centimeters cube. So the question given is a copper wire is there that copper wire. So this is a cylinder. Around this cylinder they are wounding the copper wire like this. So like this they are doing it like this, the copper wire. Okay. So for this the information is given, that is height of the 3 millimeter is the diameter of this wire. It is the diameter of this copper wire is given as 3 millimeter. And then cylinder length of the cylinder is given as 12 centimeter. So this is the length of the cylinder. So the length of the cylinder is given as 12 centimeter and diameter is given as 10 centimeter. So this is the diameter of the cylinder. So that is given as 10 centimeter. Okay. So as to cover the curved surface of the cylinder. So they are taking a cylinder, taking a wire, copper wire. That copper wire is also cylindrical in shape. So that they are taking and rotating it all around the cylinder. Okay, so we are asked to find the length and mass of the wire. So length is that length of the wire, that is length of that full wire we are asked to find, and then the mass of the wire, that is the volume, assuming that the copper wire is to be 8.88 per centimeter cube. So we will find the volume and multiply it by 8.88 to find the mass. So we will find the volume of that cylinder, volume of that volume of the wire into 8.88, we will get the answer in mass. So this is the thing we are going to do. So for finding this, so the first thing is, this unit is only given in millimeter. So all other units are in centimeter, we will convert that to centimeter. So diameter. So diameter of wire is equal to 3 millimeter. That is equal to 0.3 centimeter. Divided 3 by 10, that is 0.3 centimeter. So this is the diameter of the wire. Then length of the cylinder is given as 12 centimeter and diameter of that is given as 10 centimeter. Here, if we take the diameter of the wire, so that diameter and the curved surface, if we take the diameter, we are taking that wire and rotating it like this, so that the length of one diameter, that is given as 3 centimeter. If we find the total number of rounds here, that is diameter is 0.3 centimeter. So the total length is given as 12 centimeter. So this 12 centimeter is divided by this 0.3. So this is 3 millimeter we are having. So the total length, when it is divided by 0.3, we will come to know how many rounds this wire is rotating. How many rounds? So this diameter, so length of the cylinder is given as, that is height of the cylinder is given as 12 centimeter and diameter is 10 centimeter. But when we divide this 12 by this 0.3, we will get the number of rounds. So number of rounds, the copper wire is rotated is equal to length of the cylinder is given as 12 divided by diameter. Diameter is 0.3. So we will get the number of rounds as 40. So if we make 40 rounds, the whole length of the wire will be covered to this cylinder. Okay. So we got the total rounds total rounds of the wire, we got it as 40. 40 rounds, if we take the wire, it will cover the entire height of the cylinder. Okay, then if we take the length of the wire and rotate it around the cylinder, so that one round is equal to the circumference of the base of the cylinder. If we take the wire and round it along the cylinder, that one round is equal to the circumference of the base of the cylinder. Okay, so length of one round is equal to circumference of base of cylinder. Circumference of base of cylinder. So that is equal to 2 into 2 pi r. That is the circumference of the cylinder. So 2 into 3.14 into. So this is the radius of the cylinder. So the radius of the cylinder, diameter is given as 10 centimeters. So radius is 5. So when we multiply this, we'll get it as 3.14 into 10. That is equal to 31.4 centimeter. So this is the length of one round of the cylinder. So like this, how many rounds we are making? We found it as 40 rounds. So we take the wire, make it 40 to cover the entire part of the entire height of the cylinder. So one round makes 31.4. So like this, 40 rounds. So that will be the total length of the wire. So total length of wire is equal to 31.4 into 40. Okay, length of one round is 31.4. So 40 rounds will make the length of the entire wire. So 31.4 into 40 will give us 1256 centimeter. This is the length of the wire. 1256 centimeter is the length of the wire. So first thing they are asking us to find the length of the wire. So we got it as 1256. So now one more thing is mass of the wire they are asking. That is mass of that entire wire full length. So volume of wire is equal to pi r squared h. So this height is nothing but this length of the wire. The full length will gives us the height of the wire. Okay. So pi is 3.14 and then the radius of the wire is 0.15. So this is 0.3 by 2 will gives us 0.15 into 0.15 into height will be the length of the wire. So that is 1256. Okay, so when we multiply all these things, we'll get the volume of the wire. Okay, so the volume of the wire, so this into, yes, so this will be 88.7364. 88.7364 when we multiply all these things, this much, since it is volume, it is centimeter cube, so 88.74 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the wire. And then mass of the copper wire, that is the density we are asked to find, that is mass of the wire. So mass of the wire is equal to volume into 8.88. So when we multiply this 88.74 into 8.88, when we multiply, we'll get it as 788.01. That is equal to, we can round it off as 788 grams. So this is the mass of the wire. So if you understand the question properly, it is very easy. Okay, thank you.